Welcome to the jack-off. What? The jack-off? That's what we came up with? Just a bunch of guys coming in the desert for a jack-off. Should be fun.
We need stuff that works because of the nature of our writing.
We destroy. That's just what we do.
All right, let's test the speed with the manual jack and the ARB jack.
The rules are simple. Lift from the suspension. First one to get the tire off the ground wins.
Right off the bat, I got a little excited and I forgot that we were supposed to be lifting from the suspension.
Unfortunately, the ARB jack broke almost immediately.
Now,
It's a bummer things like this happen. I wanted to see what it could do in the competition. This next round, we have the manual jack against the Radflow.
I win!
Well, that's scratch for sure.
I don't think that's gonna buff out, dude.
My mama didn't raise no quitter.
While he was struggling, I figured I'd help him out since I was just standing around. Next up, manual jack versus the Pro Eagle Phoenix. Done.
I feel like you guys are stacking this against me.
I got you.
It's not that bad. You just have to dig the tire out a little bit.
you gonna turn? Take it out. Oh.
My tire was changed for like a half an hour and Shannon just got his tire off the ground. Now, electric jack versus the king jack.
really like to thank the King Jack for giving me this victory. Solid product.
What? He didn't win, I won. I won fair.
Tell me one good thing about each jack.
The ARB looked cool.
I heard it had a high capacity.
The King Jack was reliable.
Like I said, solid product.
The electric jack is super easy to use. I never even break a sweat.
It's got this cool attachment. It's got a hook and a flat pad, and one, it'll go anywhere on your car. The manual jack was super fast, and it didn't sink into the sand.
Super light and compact.
The Radflow scratched my car.
I mean, it was really long.
And what about the Pro Eagle?
Another thing that happens in the desert is getting stuck.
Before everyone starts to comment, we know the car has paddles, it'll drive out, but we have to simulate it somehow.
We had to rule out some jacks right off the bat. The ARB was broken, the King Jack just couldn't find a spot to put it in, and the Pro Eagle just wouldn't go low enough. So I started pumping the Radflow. And I just sat there pumping.
I just got tired of waiting.
Bam!
Obviously, we know the manual jack worked. We're gonna switch to the electric one, see what it'll do.
Brought the hook up a little bit so that we can get a little bit more travel out of the jack, bring the car up off the ground even higher.
So what are your overall thoughts?
Well, the ARB didn't work for us, but we heard that it works pretty well for heavier vehicles like Jeeps.
The King Jack, it's a reliable product.
And the Pro Eagle stores well in small spaces.
The Radflow, it's cheap. If you're a racer or you're trying to lift your car fast, the manual jack's the way to go.
The electric jack is really awesome. You know, push one button, it's got all the features of the manual jack. For what we do out here in the dunes, the electric jack is Dune and Destroy's jack of choice.